Hi there. So I'm going to show you how to solve this Japanese puzzle. This puzzle is very interesting. All you need to do is take this from this side, this small one, to the other side. I'll talk about this in more details. So this is called a Japanese puzzle, and it's very interesting. And I've been trying to get this puzzle for a very long time, but I could not get it in India. So recently I bought a 3D printer and I 3D printed this puzzle, and now I'm like very excited to show you that it's actually very much possible to just print it and just play around with it. I'll share the link for the model from Thingiverse in my comments. It's actually free, and feel free to print it and play around with it. All right, so let's get started. So you can see that this is the ring that has to go from here till here and back here, right? This looks impossible because this can't go in there, and this string can't cross this, so that we can't bring the loop, right? It looks like impossible for now, right? So let me just show you how to solve it. First thing you have to do is take this loop over to this and pull it, take these up, both of these, and you will make something like this. Do you see that? There is a loop in here. If you turn it around, there is a loop in here. So from this side, this rectangular side, we have to take it to this side, right? Now you see this loop here. It's pretty. Now it would be very clear to you. So this ring has to start from here, go till here, here, and come above here, and this, right? Now this ring can't really move, but you can move the string around. I'll show you how. So first of all, we'll take this ring up here, then push this loop to the other side and cross this ring from the other side. Okay, let's just show you. First pull the loop, and right, so you can see the loop is still intact. Now this ring has to come over to the loop the other side, so we will push this loop to the other side, and now you see that. Now if you take this loop back where it was, now the ring has walked from here till here to this side, correct? Now all we need to do is bring the ring from here to here. All right, there we go. Ta-da! This is solved. I hope this is extremely clear. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Feel free to share the video and like the video.